Morning, bless up to each and every one. And this morning, I'm gonna boil some cornmeal porridge. And you don't know, me have my cornmeal line up already. And I have some cinnamon powder. And I have some nutmeg with my vanilla. You don't know, you're at this country here, more than you cannot get certain things like where you get a yard. You know, something you have to check many stores, and something you still not get it, you have to use it. The powder one, or you don't know, you can't get the cinnamon stick itself sometimes. Alright, so you don't know, me have my water set on already, so now I'll go ahead and add in spice and show you what I go on. See it, water boil up already, so now go add in some nutmeg. Yeah man, come on, my porridge nice, you know. Yeah, cinnamon. Alright, that is the amount. Yeah, I like my porridge taste good. Watch what I go on now. Alright, yeah man. Go add in some vanilla. Yeah, right? Yeah man. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and add in a little salt. I don't know, I don't want too much salt. Yeah man, that's alright. Yes, alright. Then we go add in the coconut milk, you know. Alright. See? Now watch what I go on now, man. That's something like my porridge. Spicy and taste good, you know. Alright. Right, see it a boil up now. Yeah. Quick and simple cornmeal porridge me a boil, man. Quick and simple. And fast, you see it. Man, so I'll go ahead and now and add in my cornmeal. Yeah man, I don't mix out my cornmeal already. So I'll go ahead and now add it in. Alright. I'm going to give it a little stir. Yeah man, so watch what I go on my people. Alright. Yeah man. I go and stir it till it starts boil up. Alright. Yeah man. So it is set man. Jamaican cornmeal porridge. Quick and fast. That tastes good too. Yeah man, I go and stir him till him start boil up, then I start stir it. If you don't stir it, it go lumpy. Alright? Yeah man. See how it have the nice body thickness. Yeah man, it not too thick and it not too watery. Yeah man, have the right texture in it. See it here? Yeah man, I'm gonna use this spoon to stir it because you don't want it to lump. So while it a stir, it a go through the spoon like a strainer also, so it not go lump. Yeah man. Jamaican cornmeal porridge. Simple and easy, nice and delicious when this finish. Yeah man, so as soon as it start boil up, I gotta just turn on the stove a little, make him stay there go and boil. Yeah man. Coconut milk in it, well rich. Yes man. One more time, man, anytime you gotta work, man, you don't want no heavy food, you just want something light. We can keep you till your break or lunch time. Yeah, man. You don't want no heavy food when I wake up early in the morning. So some cornmeal porridge, nice. If you have in the morning with your tough crackers or your hard bread. You have some people that eat white bread, you can use your wheat bread also. Yeah man. So now just watch what I go on, alright? See it, my people? It a boil up now. Yeah man, so I'm gonna turn on the stove and make him stay there go and cook properly. Alright, so I can stop stirring my now because I'm a boil up, so I'm not go lump again. Alright? Yeah, man. So now watch what I go on. Alright? Yeah, man. Checking in on it. Yeah, see it there. Fully active, you know, my people. Yeah, man. Porridge almost ready. No anytime now. So I'm going to add in some sugar. Sweeten it to taste, and that's it. You see it? Yes, my people. See it here? See the sugar here? Yeah, man. Half cup of sugar. This alright for me. Alright? Yeah, man. Fully active, man. Just go ahead, you know, and just sweeten him. Yeah. Make him go and simmer down. Yeah, man. Because, as me tell you, basically cook already. Yeah, man. As me I tell you, basically boil already. So me I just sweeten him to taste and make him go and simmer down. Yeah, man. If you don't use sugar, you can add a little honey to it, you know. Yes, man. You know, if you add the honey in the pot, when you dish out your own, you can add honey. And you don't know if you give somebody any who like them sugar and condensed milk, yeah, man, then can add it enough for them one, right? Yeah, man. But I tell you the healthy way also, you know, man. All of my video them when me do, you know. Yeah, man, if you know just listen. Yeah, man, I know everything me I go spell out, but me I tell you. Yeah, man. Listening are the key, alright? Yeah. So you think set up, man. Cornmeal porridge, quick and simple, fast and delicious. Yeah, man. So, right? I go taste it and see what go on, alright? Yeah, man. So I go give it a little taste and come back, alright? Yes, my people, yeah, man, me taste it. It no want no salt, it no want no more sugar. Right amount and measurement me use. It not too sweet. It just balance, alright? Yeah, man. So I make him stay there, go and simmer down and finish. Alright? Cornmeal porridge pretty rich and nice. Yeah, man. Fully active, my people. Don't know, Jamaican. Cornmeal porridge. Fully active, man. You see it a bubble up? It not too thick and it not too watery. You have the nice body when me like in my porridge, alright? Yes, my people, this is it, you know. It's finished, boil, so I'm gonna dish out some and serve my own with Jamaican tough crackers. So bless up on yourself, you know, man. Alright? Yeah.